Every second, thousands of videos go live. Ads, reels, promos, and cinematic content flooding every feed and every platform. And somewhere in all that noise, your video still isn't ready and still waiting for the right system. You watch their content, cinematic, polished, and scroll-stopping. The tools exist and the access is there, but average prompts produce average results, and average results don't sell. The vision is clear in your head, but it never quite makes it to the screen. That's not your fault. That's a system problem. Introducing NexCast AI, the complete video system built for creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs who are done waiting and ready to own the feed. With NexCast AI, you can produce UGC, virtual studios, VFX ads, green screen avatars, or animated videos. Everything a full production team delivers without the team, without the budget, and without the wait. 1,200 plus prompts, written, optimized, and ready for every format, every use case, and every platform, such as Veo, Gemini, Flow, Runway, Sora, Kling. Whatever engine you run, NexCast AI makes it produce at its full potential, consistently, professionally, and automatically in under 10 minutes. Sell videos to local businesses or run ads for e-com clients. Build a content agency from your laptop, and the demand is already there. NexCast AI is your system to meet it. Your dashboard opens everything organized and everything ready. Pick your format, the prompt loads, already written, already optimized. Nothing to type and nothing to engineer. A UGC video for your product? Done. A VFX ad for your offer? Done. A virtual studio promo for your brand? Done. And within minutes, a professional video is ready for any platform, any audience, in any offer. With the commercial license, every video becomes a deliverable. Now, every project becomes profit. Thousands of creators and marketers are already producing with NexCast AI, and now it's your turn. Tools have disappointed before, or the results have fallen short before. NexCast AI was built for exactly that reason: cinematic, professional, and not generic. Your purchase is fully protected 30 days, full refund and no questions. Just one payment with no subscriptions ever. Launch pricing closes soon. This is your moment and take it. NexCast AI. Consistently, professionally, automatically.